In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a background to your visualization in Power BI or in your canvas. Now, first and foremost, let me show you how to add visualization here. So let's assume I have this. I want to start building my visualization. I have to go to the canvas background. Now I can click on color and I pick a particular color. Then I control the transparency here. See, I use this to control the transparency. Then I can build my visualization on this. For instance, I want to build a visualization on the cluster column chart. I drag on that. Now on this cluster column chart, I have my category ID on the x-axis and my total on the y-axis. Now you can see my chart. So if I want the background to be showing, all I need to do is go to the format your visualization, and I go to the plot area now. But here I'm not going to be able to do that here because it's not active. So I have to go to the general, go to this. Now you can see my background here. I can change my background to this color, or I can change my background to any of this color. Okay, now you can see I can now use the transparency to control that. Now you can see my chart. Now you can see my chart. So this is the one way you can create a background in Power BI. There's one way you can create a background in Power BI. Let's look at another way you can create a background in Power BI. Okay, I have that now up. I can also make my canvas this way. I click on this. I have some data sets here, let's say laptop students. Okay, and I click on that. That gives me a normal. Now I can't see because it is normal. Now when I click on fit, it brings it up because of my transparency here. Let me reduce that. Now reduce my transparency. You can see the image. I can click on normal. You can see how small it is. Now I can go to fill fill it up. When I go to fit, it fit reduces a bit here. Maybe just fit the canvas. Why fill everywhere? You can see the fill is a little bit larger because it fills up. Then I can reduce the transparency here. If I want to reduce the transparency, I use this to reduce the transparency. So if I plot my visualization here, I decide to create a visualization. I bring this on the x-axis and I bring this on the y-axis. All I need to do is to drag this. Okay, now I want this to show the background. So I go to general, I can go to effect and I click on the transparency. Take note, this is white color. So doing this transparency, give it about once I change it to like let's say this. Now you can see what it's giving me. It's giving me different kind of transparency, and the yellow, the blue is coming up a little bit. Okay, so this is how to create transparency, how to do a background in Power BI. Let's see the last way I'm going to show you this. I have this chart. Let me remove this effect on it. Let me change it to white. Now let's assume I want a background to this particular chart. This is my background plot. So I click on this. Now when I click on this, I can also click on that student laptop. Now when I open it, you can see that now it is normal. But when I use fit, it fits the visualization. So you can see that there. So these are different ways you can create a background in Power BI. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and don't forget to share this video to all your social media channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram channel, our Facebook channel, and all our social media. And thank you for watching.